happens when the future gets faster, smarter, and even more refined. Meet the 2026 Tesla Model S, a luxury EV that's still rewriting the rules. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to spot for the latest in cutting-edge tech and electric innovation. Today, we're breaking down Tesla's latest flagship sedan, the 2026 Model S. And trust us, there's a lot to talk about. Design. From the outside, the Model S remains sleek and minimalistic, but Tesla has sharpened the lines for a more aerodynamic profile. Subtle updates to the lighting and fascia make it look cleaner, leaner, and unmistakably modern. Inside, it's all about refinement, premium materials, a quieter cabin, and improved seating that makes long drives feel effortless. Performance. Under the hood, under the floor, you'll find even more power. The new Tri-Motor Plaid Plus setup pushes over 1,100 horsepower, delivering 0 to 60 in under 1.9 seconds. It's not just fast, it's ridiculously fast. And with revised suspension tuning and better torque vectoring, it handles like a dream without sacrificing ride comfort. Features and technology. The 2026 Model S brings smarter software and sharper hardware. You get the latest full self-driving beta, an enhanced 17-inch center display, and Tesla's new NeuroSense interior AI, which learns your habits and adjusts climate, music, and even lighting to fit your mood. Over-the-air updates keep everything future-proof. Conclusion. Tesla didn't just tweak the Model S, they elevated it. The 2026 version is faster, smarter, and more luxurious than ever, and it's still setting the benchmark for electric sedans. What do you think? Game changer or more of the same? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the future of mobility. Thanks for listening. See you in the next one.